Welcome to Bible Verses for Life Mastery. And today's verse, Jeremiah 31, verse 25. For I will replenish the weary soul, and replenish all who are weak. This verse from the book of Jeremiah is a powerful reminder of God's promises to provide comfort and strength to those who are feeling tired and weak. It is a message of hope and renewal, assuring us that even in our lowest moments, God is there to uplift and to restore our spirits. This verse encourages us to turn to God for peace and strength during times of struggle, knowing that His love and grace are always available to us. It serves as a reminder that no matter what challenges we face in life, no matter what issues or situations that we are going through, we can always find peace in God, and God will always renew our souls. From Bible verses to life mastery.